Today we're taking a look at a single-speed electric bike from Propella called the SS. It's a simple, stylish, and lightweight e-bike that weighs only 35 pounds and perfect for commuting or just getting around town. With a price of $1,100 and free shipping, the Propella SS is one of the most affordable e-bikes we've tested this year. We even have a special coupon code that will get you $100 off, bringing it down to just $1,000 and valid for the next 30 days from when this video is posted. We'll put links in the description along with any other deals and coupons that will save you money. Propella sent us the SS model so that we could put it to the test. The bike ships in a large box and is mostly assembled. You'll need to mount the front handlebar, then secure the front wheel, screw in the pedals, and install the seat post. Propella also has a good assembly video that shows you exactly how to do it step by step. Looking at the design, it has a black frame with a blue color scheme throughout that really makes it pop. Between the blue anodized wheels and blue accents throughout, like on the battery, seat, and handlebars, it will turn heads and stand apart on the road. The Propella SS comes in only one color and one size, which is suited for riders between 5'4" and 6'2". The battery is a 250 watt-hour battery pack that almost looks like a large water bottle from far away. The battery is easy to remove and pops right off when you unlock it using the keys. Though one thing we did notice with the battery is that it has a bit of rattle while riding. You'll notice it when going over bumps and even feel and hear some vibrations during acceleration, which can be a bit annoying. We hope Propella can fix this in later models. For the motor, it's a 250 watt Bafang hub motor located in the rear wheel, which can get you going up to 18 miles per hour using pedal assist. It's a cadence sensor, meaning it'll kick in a few seconds after you start pedaling, and the amount of assistance it provides will depend on the mode that you're in. There's 5 different pedal assist modes that you can choose from, and you can control them using the up and down buttons on the left-hand side of the handlebar. But unlike other e-bikes, there's no throttle on this bike, so you can only use the motor in pedal assist mode. The small LCD display will show you which pedal assist mode you're in, as well as your current speed, trip distance, and total odometer reading. It also shows you the battery life, which is more accurate when you're stopped. While riding, the battery indicator is voltage sensitive, meaning that more load from the motor will cause a voltage drop, which immediately lowers the battery indicator level. Looking at the drivetrain, it's a 16-tooth single-speed freewheel with a Lasco brand crank and chainring. The single speed means it's easier to maintain and also helps reduce weight and the cost of the bike down. When riding, we found the single gear to be great all around, giving the ability to punch it and pick up speed quickly without too much effort, especially at a higher pedal assist mode. But all that power does end up taking a toll on the range, and that's where we noticed the range of the Propella will be affected. On our range test, we rode mainly in pedal assist mode 4 and 5, riding around the city and on bike paths, and we were able to get just 16 miles before the battery was totally dead. Propella advertises a range between 20 to 40 miles, but those numbers are usually in ideal circumstances, when riding in lower modes like Eco. And after running out of the battery, we were still able to keep riding the e-bike as a regular bike, but the single speed made it harder to take on hills. Speaking of the hills, you can tackle moderate hills with this bike, but you will need to put the pedal assist on 5 and add some extra leg power to push it to the top for steeper hills, and that will certainly drain the battery faster. Looking at other components like the tires, they are puncture-resistant tires that are thin and meant for the roads and paths, with the tire valve being a Presta-type valve. So you'll want to make sure you have the right pump or adapter. For brakes, it has Shimano mechanical disc brakes on the front and back, which are entry-level components and nothing to rave about, but they still do a good job. One component missing that we wish it had would be the lights. There's no integrated LED front or rear light on this bike, so that's something you'll need to add on if you plan on riding at night. But one plus is that we did find the seat to be soft and comfortable, compared to other e-bikes we've tested at higher price tags. We're pretty happy with the quality of components given the price of this e-bike. Propella also includes a 7-day free return policy if you're not happy with your purchase. They also have a 1-year warranty and will repair or replace any component if you run into any issues. Overall, we think the Propella SS is a great everyday, lightweight commuter electric bike. Single-speed e-bikes are a great choice for anyone looking for a straightforward e-bike that simply works and won't break the bank. Alright, that's it for now. Next, be sure to watch our other e-bike reviews and comparisons, including the most affordable commuter e-bikes you can bike this year.